Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you 2 new boxes from Doing Good Co. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Doing Good Co sent me 2 newly released boxes to show you guys. So thank you so much for sending these to me to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, these are their 2 newly launched boxes. They're their summer edition, and they're so affordable. They're only $15.99 each. So if you wanted to spoil yourself, a loved one, a neighbor, a friend, anybody, especially right now, we can't really see a whole lot of people. So if you want to just send a little pick-me-up box to somebody for an occasion or for any occasion, this might be the place to look. So again, these are only $15.99. I will link them down below. They have tons of other already curated themed boxes. This is not a subscription box whatsoever. These are one-time curated themed boxes that you can send to yourself or to anybody else. No commitment, anything like that. It's just one-time purchases. And again, they have so many different ones already available. I will link everything down below, but let's go ahead and dive into these 2 and see what's going to be in them. Again, I'm super excited. When I saw $15.99, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cheap, so affordable. Just to send a little hi, how you doing, a pick-me-up, anything like that would be an awesome idea. So these are the 2 special summer edition boxes. Sunshine and kindness are the themes to each one. Fun to send a bit of summer love to a best friend, a family member, or one to yourself. Doing Good Co offers all occasion gift boxes and gifts to encourage and inspire. We are not a subscription box service. We believe in wowing our customers and creating an affordable experience with exceptional customer service and products, and that's what they're doing. So again, I will go ahead and go through both of them. One of them is the Sunshine, that's the yellow ribbon, and then Kindness is the blue ribbon. So let's go ahead and go with the yellow that I already started with first, and this again is the Sunshine box, both valued for $15.99 each. I like that it's just a nice little decorative all white box that you can reuse for anything, and you do have the nice little ribbon on top, which you can remove and save for whatever you would like, and yellow and blue are really good colors. So here is just taking off the ribbon, and let's see what's going to be down inside. Okay, so again, this is the Sunshine box. That's what it looks like when you first open it up. There is a card, which is a postcard that you can actually send to somebody if you would like. So on here it says, sending you sunshine. And it says to keep as a reminder card or to send to a friend. So you can just post this up anywhere you would like to put it, or you can put it in a frame if you would like, or you can use it as a postcard, write a little note and send it to somebody in the mail. Then that's like a lost art, is a handwritten card. So I always say whenever I get postcards, I love to see that because they're keeping handwritten cards alive instead of this text messaging. Half the time they even do like short text message where they're not even completing full words or sentences. And it's like, what does this all mean? I don't know. So I love that you can just handwrite something to somebody and send it to them in the mail. I love that. So when you first open the box, it has this really cute sticker and it says sunshine, going with the whole theme. And then when you open it up, ooh, there's this really cute cutout, like a teapot and tea. It's my favorite color. And this is what it looks like inside. They definitely take attention to detail when they're packaging their boxes with the packing material and down to little things that they add to them. And I think that's super, super cute. So let's see what is all going to be in this theme. Again, you do have this card or postcard that you have first. Now it says cup of sunshine, golden, turmeric, and ginger herbal tea. 2 tea satchels without caffeine. Big heart tea. Ooh, so you have 2 tea bags down in there. That is super cute, and it has the sunshine, so it sticks with the theme. And that's why there's a little teapot, short and spout. That is so cute. And I'm glad that they do, again, send you 2 different tea bags. Let's see inside. So when you open it up, there you go. So there's the 2 bags down inside of there. So neat. So we have tea. Now you have, it looks like a little journal thing you can toss in your purse, your book bag, gym bag, your kid's school bag, your car, you put in your glove box, anywhere, your desk. It says, today I choose joy. And it has these really pretty flowers on top, and it is just a lined little, you can do journaling, you can put down your thoughts, your chore list, you can draw down whatever you want, or leave it in your car unless you need to write down something in a pinch, you have it with you. And not only do they put this in here, they finish it off with a pin, and it's super, super cute. It says every day is a gift, and it has these little tassels that hang down. There's like a coral, like a greenish gray, and then there is a cross, and that's a little dangle right there. And every day is a gift. It's a clicky pin. So you do have the paper, you can write your postcard with it, or you can just jot down your things and they give you a pen to go with it. Then you have is a lip balm. We could all use a lip balm, especially going into the summer because of the heat, and the UV always dries your lips out. This one says Balm Standard Pineapple and Coconut Lip Balm. So this is an organic lip balm. And again, you can drop that down anywhere because I always have these with me everywhere. And then you have these little cards right here. It says keep one or share one. It's a mini shareable card pack. It says sunshine on the front. So when you open up the card, there is a little message inside, and it says light is sweet and it pleases the eyes to see the sun. And you can write whatever you would like on top. And again, you can just keep these, or you can pass it to a loved one or add it to whichever. And it does come with envelopes as well. So you have 2 cards and 2 envelopes that are down inside of here. So that's everything that came in the sunshine box. Again, you have a really nice box with some extra stuff in there that you can repurpose. You have the 2 card set. You have a really nice clicky pen. You have the journal notebook. You have the 2 packs of tea, you have a lip balm, and then you have this as a same or as a postcard. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in the sunshine box. So now let's go ahead and go into the kindness box. Again, this is also $15.99. So let's go ahead and get inside of this one. You can always reuse this string for anything. Same type of a box. When you open this one up, it does have the card on top and it says kindness. So same thing applies. You can go ahead and frame this, stick it up on a poster board, just put it on your nightstand, put it up on your mirror where you get ready. It says spreading kindness, just to remind yourself to be kind, especially in this world. There is so many things going on. We just need to be kind. You never know what somebody else is going through. That is really nice, just to remind yourself to spread kindness. And again, you can go ahead and keep that, or you can put a little note down here and mail it to somebody as a postcard. So you have the option to do whichever. And then it has the sticker that says kindness. Super cute. So again, it goes with the whole theme. And I like that they're doing that. From the moment you open the box, you're all in the entire theme. So that's what it looks like when you first open it up. So let's go ahead and start with the car coaster. And it says kindness counts. That is so pretty. I love the colors, and I just love the saying. Kindness just, it just seems that it goes a long way. If you just be kind, it goes a long way. So hopefully a lot more people can open up that part of their heart and just be kind, because it does count. So that is really cool. You can put this little sandstone coaster in your car, and any of the condensation just won't get all in your car. You have a little coaster. So that is really neat. And it's super cute that it matches this to a T. So again, even down to the sticker matches the same. The colors in this next item, everything matches in this box. And I love that. They pay attention to every detail. So then the next item, it says, be happy, be bright, be you. Yes. And again, the same color scheme that matches everything else. And this is a pocket mirror. You can put it anywhere. You can open it up like this and look at yourself, or you can slide it like that and set it somewhere. You can set it down, or you can just look at yourself like that, and it's already propped up. So you can see yourself this way, or you can check yourself out that way, whatever you would like. I love this mirror. I did get one in the box that I showed you guys before, and I have this in my purse, and anytime I need to look in my eye, my teeth, anything, I bust this out. It's just a nice, clear, really nice mirror, and I like the way you can move it around and do little things with it. So you do have this, and it does have the magnet right here. So it stays closed whenever you want it, you just open it up. So you can put this anywhere, in your car, your purse, your desk, wherever. We could always use a mirror. So I do like that, and it matches with the color scheme. So this one does have a lip balm, the same lip balm. So it says the same organic lip balm, and this one again is pineapple and coconut. And then you do have, oh, there's this under there. So you have like a hair scrunchie. It says love, and it is just a regular hair scrunchie on a stock card that you could use for something later. And it just says love, and it's gray and silver. And there's that. And we can all use a hair tie. So that is really cute that they put that in there. And then you have the card. So this one does say kindness, and it has 2 cards and 2 envelopes in this one as well. Let me go ahead and open it up so we can see what the saying is on the inside of the card. So you do have, again, the 2 envelopes, one and 2. They do have their business card down in there, Doing Good Co. And if you would like any of their information, there is that. But again, everything will be linked down below. So this card, you guys, on the inside, it says kindness again on the front. And I love that color. And then you open it up, and it has the 2 flowers, and it says, what is desired in man is kindness. So this is an amazing box just to help you remind yourself to spread kindness. And that is a huge, huge thing. So the kindness box, let's do a real quick recap. You have the 2 cards with the 2 envelopes. You have the hair tie that came on this little cardstock. You do have the lip balm. You have the mirror, which I love, and I've never seen a mirror do this before until I received the last one. I love that mirror. You have a coaster for your card, and then you have a inspirational quote to remind yourself or to mail to somebody, and then you can save the ribbon and the box for whichever. So that is everything for the kindness box. So that is everything that I have to show you from the 2 different themed boxes. Again, they're both $15.99. They're both going to come packaged just like this in a nice little box, wrapped the way that they are, sealed with the tissue paper, wrapped with a bow. Just a really nice surprise just to present to somebody. And again, for that price point, just to send somebody a little hi, how you doing, thinking of you kind of thing to anybody is an amazing thing. So again, you have the sunshine box and you have the kindness box. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the 2 boxes? Which was your favorite? Do you want to get one? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.